Hello, this is a very quick tutorial in which we will explain how to change the classes of a list of boxes. First step is to log in. Okay? And we can see, if we click here on products boxes, we will see the boxes that have been loaded previously. Okay, these are SKUs, these are products that we can pack onto pallets. And we see here that we have a primary class and a secondary class. Sometimes the primary class is called package, and the second class is called class. So we can select several boxes and we can change the primary and secondary classes. Go to edit, box classes, we select a different one, and we update, and we see that they've changed here. We can do it again, and change them back. That's it.